There is some dramatic differences between a restoration and a reproduction dash. This is an E-body dash out of a 70 to 74 Barracuda. This is actually a reproduction that we received accidentally from a customer. And as you can see, there's a plastic substructure here, and the parts themselves don't fit great. So we have vents that are misaligned. And one of our technicians was taking a look at this, and one of the biggest issues that we came across is the map light frame actually does not align with the foam padding. As well, when we mounted it to the metal frame of the vehicle, there were alignment issues with screws where if we were trying to force that in with brutal force, it would strip out the screws and who knows what other issues might happen. Not to mention that with longevity, there's going to be warping issues. So we're not entirely sure how old this reproduction dash is, but we can see clear signs of warpage along the back edge because the plastic really isn't a proper support structure for it. So depending on the type of car that you're building, the $300, $400 options might not be what you're looking for. As opposed to a fully restored original dash that we've got here, where in fact this one we have custom vents installed. So we were able to test fit these throughout the process. It has the original metal substructure that's been bead blasted and painted, as well as the map light opening that fits as it's supposed to, because we test fit many, many times throughout the process. The comparison between reproductions, restorations, using the original tooling underneath it, you're not going to ever have that waviness again on the top of a dash. They didn't originally have that. Anyways, they cracked up and they got sun beat. These E-bodies never had that waviness to it. So with a restoration, we're working with your original part. We're stripping out all of the degraded material, hand sculpting it back to the factory specifications with new high density foam. And then we go into thermal vacuum forming, which you can see plenty of videos of on all of our channels.